In the next 3 minutes or so, I'm going to show you how you can start using ChatGPT to start making money online. And you're going to be able to do this without creating products, without shipping products, without dealing with customers. And you're going to be able to get started as soon as today. Now, before we jump into the computer and I show you exactly how you are going to use ChatGPT to start making money online, I want to be 100% transparent and clear. I do not have anything for sale today. As a matter of fact, if you stick to the end of this video, I actually have a 100% free course that I want to give to you. It's going to show you exactly how I started a side hustle that scaled to the point where I could quit my job and make more money in a month than I used to make in a year. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer and see how we're going to use ChatGPT to actually start making money online. So the first thing we have to know is where money comes from, right? Money doesn't just come out of thin air. Money comes from other people. So if we want to get money from other people, we are going to have to get other people to buy things. And the easiest way as a beginner without a business already in place to get people to buy things from us in a way that actually makes us money is to become an affiliate marketer. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, affiliate marketers simply are freelance digital marketers. We as affiliates promote other people's products via a unique tracking link. And when customers that we refer go buy those products from those other third-party businesses, those other third-party businesses will pay us a commission. Now, these commissions can range anywhere from $1 or $2 all the way up to $1,000 or $2,000 per sale. The reason companies do this is because this is a win-win agreement for them. Instead of spending money on ads with uncertainty, not knowing how much it's going to cost them to acquire a customer, they would rather predetermine their marketing spend, let's say a percentage of their total sales. And what they do with that predetermined percentage is they will give that to affiliates or people just like you and I who want to send them customers. So this allows them to control their advertising budget. And this allows us as folks, as beginners without businesses, to start making money as soon as possible. So the way this works is pretty simple. We partner with an affiliate program that will pay us a commission. And what we want to do is we want to bring them customers from social media. So what we do on social media is actually create short form content. This is what changed the game for affiliate marketers. Short form content like TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels allow beginners, even without a following, even without any sort of social media presence, to start from day one and start getting a lot of views and a lot of traffic from targeted customers who we can then send over to the affiliate products with our affiliate links so we can get paid a commission. The other good thing about this is because we are creating short form videos, it only takes a few minutes to create content, because instead of creating a 10, 15, 20-minute YouTube video hoping to rank, we can actually create 5, 10, and even 15-second videos on these short form content platforms that will get reach and drive traffic. As a matter of fact, at the end of this video, I'll show you a real live example of how you can create these videos super fast without even talking on camera. So what most amateurs will do if they're new to affiliate marketing is they'll create content that attracts customers for their affiliate partner and direct link them over to the affiliate product, hoping to make a sale. What we're going to do as more savvy affiliates is we are first going to send people from these social media platforms over to our simple one-page website that actually collects the email first. These websites are really cool because not only do we collect their emails and grow our email list, which becomes our virtual distribution channel, we can actually automatically forward them after they enter their email over to the affiliate product with our affiliate link. So if they buy right away, we're going to get that instant commission. But even if they don't buy right away, it's okay, because we're going to be growing our valuable email list. Then we can simply send emails recommending either the same product we recommended up front or different products that will pay us a commission. So that's how affiliate marketing works. How are we going to use ChatGPT to help us get more traffic and leads over to our affiliate partners? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So the formula that works really well for creating content on social media and getting targeted traffic is the hook, story, offer formula. We create a video that starts off with a hook that attracts the attention of our customer avatar or ideal client. And then we follow up with some proof or some story or some sort of information that backs us up and finish with an offer or a call to action where we say, hey, go click on the link in our bio to go learn more about this opportunity. Now, the problem with this is sometimes it's hard to think of hooks that will attract the right type of customer. So this is where ChatGPT comes into play. Here's a ChatGPT prompt that I just entered, okay? Now, I promote products in the make money online space. I promote products that teach people marketing. The reason I do this is because when I learn the product that I'm going to promote, it teaches me marketing. So I kill two birds with one stone. But the other reason I do this as well is because this is a type of high ticket affiliate marketing. These type of education programs will pay hefty commissions. And I have affiliate partners that pay me as much as $1,350 per sale. So here's the prompt I entered. I need those hooks first. I need those good scroll stopping hooks so my short form content gets traction, reach, views, clicks, and then, of course, leads and sales. So in here in ChatGPT, I put 10 hooks for TikTok that would attract folks interested in making money online because, once again, those are the programs that I promote. And just like that, it gave me 10 hooks that will help me attract the ideal customer. And so what I did is I looked through these and I chose this one first. Number 6 was 5 easy ways to monetize your social media accounts. That would be a good hook for people who might be interested in purchasing a program that's going to show them how to make money online with social media. So that's my hook. That's the beginning of the video. That's the first little phrase that I'm going to say in my video. And that's also the text that I'm going to have on the screen in this video. And I'm going to show you this video in just a second. So what I did is then I copied this to figure out what exactly I'm going to say in this video. So I copied this exact phrase. I pasted it over into Google. And the first result is usually the best result because that's the one that's getting the most clicks. So I knew that this section right here, 6 ways to monetize your social media account, was information that I could use. So basically what I did here is I copied 5 of these 6 ideas for the story portion of my social media post. Then I simply went over to TikTok or Instagram. In this case, I created the post. And at the end, I came in with my offer. Remember, hook story offer. I came in with my offer, which is click the link in my bio to learn more. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this video so you can see exactly how easy it is to create the type of content and how easy it is to get people to click over to your website so they enter their email and then get forwarded over to the affiliate program that you're promoting. Let's play it. So that's how simple it is. If you want to learn more about how you can do affiliate marketing just like this, the same way I do, and make up to $1,000 commissions per sale, then I do have that 100% free course for you, and it's at the 90minuteaffiliatechallenge.com. I'll go ahead and link it down in the comments and the description of this video. When you click on that link in the comments or the description of this video, it will take you over to the 90-minute affiliate challenge where you can get instant access to this free course that will give you the 8 secrets that I used to make over $400,000 last year as an affiliate marketer. Thanks so much for watching this video. Keep in mind, this will work for any niche. You just have to use ChatGPT to give you the right hooks because the hook is the scroll stopper. The scroll stopper is what gets the views and the traction, and that's what allows you to deliver your message or information that gets people engaged so they stay to the end, they hear your offer or your call to action, they go click on your website and enter your email. You grow your email list, you start making money. Life is good. Go ahead and check out the free course. No risk, 100% free, no credit card needed, and it'll give you 8 secrets that'll help you become a high ticket affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching.